Part 3. Today, let's dive into Social Security, its origins, how it operates, and why it matters to you. Social Security is a vital program that provides financial support for retirement, disability, and families in need. It was born out of the Great Depression, a time when many elderly Americans faced poverty. In 1935, President Franklin D. Roosevelt signed the Social Security Act, changing lives forever. Over the years, it has expanded to support not just retirees, but also survivors and people with disabilities. For many, Social Security is the largest source of retirement income, making it essential for financial stability. It also plays a crucial role in reducing poverty among the elderly, helping families in tough times. The Social Security Administration manages the program, ensuring benefits are delivered efficiently. With offices nationwide and online services, they make it easier for everyone to access support. Funding comes from payroll taxes. With workers today supporting retirees now, it's a pay-as-you-go system. Employees contribute 6.2% of their wages, matched by employers, while the self-employed pay a higher rate. These funds go into trust funds that pay out benefits and build reserves for the future. However, the program faces challenges as the number of workers per retiree decreases. Understanding Social Security is key to planning your financial future and supporting this important program. For more information, reach out to Kris Keush.